make a lemon battery, set up a circuit. Things to do with recycled materials. Oh hey, you are just in time to help me make some cool things out of old stuff. I found a bunch of projects in the Highlights book of things to do about recycling. Let's try 3 of them. A surprising mask, craft supply organizer, and a pinhole camera. We're turning old stuff into new fun. First, let's pull paper or cardboard out of the recycling bin to make a surprising mask. You will also need some tools: scissors, marker, twine or shoelaces, stapler, and tape. Decide what kind of mask you want to create. For inspiration, think about your favorite creatures and what unique features they have. Create a base for your mask. Cut out eye holes and leave a space for your nose to stick out. Add features to make the mask your own. Next, we need to make the strap that will keep the mask on your head. Take a strip of cardboard, wrap it around your head to get the right length, and then staple it. Attach it to your mask. Don't forget to cover up all the staples with tape so they don't poke you. Now you have a fun mask to play with your friends. Next, we're going to make a handy-dandy craft organizer with these 2 plastic bottles. To get started, you will need 2 identical plastic water bottles, permanent marker, scissors, masking tape, 9-inch zipper, and a low heat glue gun. On one bottle, draw a line just above the label. On the other bottle, draw a line just below the label. Peel off the labels. Cut along the lines and put the top parts aside. Place the open ends of each bottle 1/2 inch apart. Tape the bottles together, but keep space between them. Put some hot glue on the back of the zipper tails. Make sure you ask an adult for help with anything hot. Press the glued pieces to the water bottles. Continue to add more glue to the zipper, wrapping it around the bottles. Remove the tape as you go. After you are done gluing the zipper to the bottle, you can fill it with anything you'd like. Wow, that's an easy and creative way to recycle plastic. For our last project, we are going to make a pinhole camera out of an old box. Let's use it to see how cameras work. Find an old cardboard cereal box, and then gather pencil, wax paper, tape or rubber band, and a blanket to complete the project. Using a pencil, punch a hole in the center of the bottom of the box. Place a piece of wax paper over the open end of the box and secure it with tape or rubber band. Sit in a dim room that has a bright object in it, such as a lamp or window that lets in daylight. Put a blanket over your head and the camera. Hold the camera at arm's length with the wax paper towards you, and the punched hole sticking out from under the blanket. Point the camera at the bright object. On the surface of the wax paper, you will see the object backwards and upside down. It's the same way a film camera works. Pretty cool, huh? There you have it! 3 great ways to give trash a new life. Recycling is fun! Now I'm going to look in the Highlights book of things to do for more fun things. Ooh, things to do with your brain! Sweet! Try these 22 long tongue twisters. Trick the circle, true or false trivia,